Next is Alice in WonderPAN Project Pan. This is so cute. I like this little picture. Okay, this is an update for Alice in Wonderland for Project Pan. So, Alice in WonderPAN. Okay, so let's see what we have going on here. Prompt number 10, this is no pore blend primer. This weighed at 86 and now it's at 85. Down to this yellow in the words. Now, I am now having to take it out and then use the product. That way is no longer pumping for some reason, and there's quite a bit left, so that is annoying. But I'm down to here now. Use it every day, especially around my pore area, my nose, my wrinkles, you know. See that big wrinkle right there? Had that for a very long time, like most of my life. So definitely want to use that up. So it's at 85. This is at 85. This Freeman Beauty Infusion Cleansing Clay Mask. I am down to here now. I was up here. I did like better progress last month, but this is what I am using. I want to finish. It's at 85 grams. There we go. And now I've done this. This was prompt number 1. Alice, I don't know. Pop-Up Girls blush. This is Saving the World. It's like an orangey color. I used this 11 times. Weighing at 54 grams. Last month, this month, that's it, 11. I had a 5 usage goal, and I used it 11 times. I really did enjoy that one. So that is now going into my collection, because I am done using that one for now. So now I'm going to Off With Her Head hair care product. So these were in the shower. It's really dirty. I just neglected this in the shower. So now it's my time to use it. This is, I heard this one was good. It's a weightless hydrating mask. This brand right here, I heard was good, so I can't wait to use it. Smells perfumey. But I'm only going to use it like half of my hair into that, so that wouldn't be no big deal. This is weighing at 25, and after this, I might work on this one right here, John Frieda, but this is for curly hair. But I'm sure it's going to be the same like any other mask. This is just a conditioner. Rich, creamy, so it nourishes the curls, wavy. It's for wavy curly hair with rose hip oil. I'm gonna use it. It weighs at 68 grams. Smells pretty good, fresher than the other one. I haven't used these yet, and I got these at Pinch Me. So I definitely want to use these up. So that is my goal. I don't need them. Need to be used up. I'm just waiting until like they go into Project Pan, I guess. So hopefully I don't neglect them any longer. That's why they're so dirty. They've been in the shower. So that is my goal, to finish all of those products. Yeah, that was an update of Alice in WonderPAN. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.